Hello, this is Paul Thompson, and in this series we'll discuss digital solutions from the visual inspection part of our business at Waygate Technologies. Today I'll be talking about menu-directed inspection. Menu-directed inspection is a tool that digitally tags images with contextual data at the time you capture it, which means when taking pictures and/or videos, you get consistently tagged inspection images from across all of your inspectors. The contextual information is then effectively correlated to the image that you captured when you captured it, thus ensuring data integrity, and it eliminates the needs for manual note-taking, which also leads to errors. Therefore, you end up with meaningless data at the end of your inspection. So you've all taken pictures or videos with your cameras. They come out with a digital date stamp, and picture number 1, 2, 3, or 4, there's no report generated. However, with MDI, the data is tagged. And in this case, you can see that there are locations in a turbine asset in this case, where, say down at the bottom, I was in the hot gas path stage 1 doing a shroud inspection, and then I automatically generated a report. So how do we do this? First, you decide what asset you're going to inspect. This picture is showing a gas turbine. You can diagram this asset down to 5 layers deep, and you can generate a report that has 1,600 images for that asset. When you're doing that, you can include up to 2,500 total inspection points, and each one of those points is created and tagged with XML data, which goes into a database so that you can later search and sort and look for the data and make sense of it. So on the device, and in this case a Mentor Visual IQ, the app that is installed is MDI, or Menu Directed Inspection, and when you're capturing pictures, it automatically labels the file name down at the bottom of the picture, in this case high pressure turbine, second stage stator, vane leading edge root, picture number 1. It also auto labels the image with a tag in the image if you would like, and that becomes a part of your post-inspection data. When you're doing an inspection in situ, you can pull up reference documentation side by side with the actual image. And you can also use that data for a reference as to how to position your pictures so that the images that you're capturing look like the reference material from the manuals. The final output can be a report in Word format, or if you would choose to, it can also include a PDF version of that document. So please join me on the following sessions on menu-directed inspection, where we will discuss how to use the MDI builder, how to build an MDI using that tool, and then loading that MDI template on your video borescope and generate a report with that MDI template that was loaded on your borescope, and then review the report and output meta-tagged data. Thank you for joining us. For more information, please contact your local sales manager or visit us at www.waygate-tech.com.